Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to extend AI videos in Runway in 2026. So if you've generated a video that's too short and want to continue the scene, add more action, or create a longer sequence, Runway provides tools that can help. First, sign in to your Runway account and open the project containing the AI video you want to extend. Make sure the video has finished generating before you begin. Next, select the video clip and look for the Extend, Continue, or Video Expansion option available in your workspace. Depending on the current version of Runway, the exact name may vary. Once you've found the extension feature, choose how you want the scene to continue. You can often provide a text prompt describing what should happen next in the video. Finally, export the completed video using your preferred quality settings and save it to your device. And that's it. That's how to extend AI videos in Runway in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.